Hi everybody. Today I'm sharing another tutorial that I offer on my website. I thought I'd give you an up close and talk about it a little bit. It's the Dresden with Butterfly. On my website, I'll put the link in the description. You can request the templates. It's all free, and there's a picture tutorial on there that will also help you through the steps. I originally saw this design as an antique quilt. I'll include the picture here. Okay. And I just loved it. And I do have a Dresden Plate series, so I just thought it would be fun to create the block and offer it free to visitors to my website. Now, it's typical Dresden plate, except the center is much larger than usual, and there's a butterfly that you put in the center. And one of the things I loved about this design is that the corners all have like a leaf shape pointing to the corner. So when four blocks come together, they actually do. Let's see if I can maybe show you this way. Pretend this is four blocks coming together. There, you can see that they make another pattern in the corner, and even if you put a little bit of sashing there, it still brings the design together like that. I love that secondary design. Now, I used embroidery floss and did a blanket stitch around the shapes. And how I did mine is I started with a multi colored fabric that I love, which is this green rose trellis thing, and using the squares of color. These are on the selvage and they tell me what colors are actually in the fabric. I based my fabric choices on those colors. So you can see all the patches that I used match in some way this multicolored fabric. And I use the multicolored fabric for the butterfly, and then because I had this many different fabrics in my collection, I was able to not repeat one single wedge, which I thought was I always like that. It gives it a super scrappy look. Okay, that's really all I wanted to share. It's a very fun block to make. If you make a bunch of them, you can make a quilt, a lap quilt, a bed-size quilt. And like I said, on my website, there's a place where you can request the free templates that'll be emailed to you instantly. And if you do make this quilt, which I hope you do, because it was fun to make this block, I'd love to see a picture. Hey, you could make it a pillow, I just realized too. Yeah, please share your pictures with me. All right, thanks for watching.